Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. If your O&M strategy for the next 12 months looks identical to the last 12 months, you're sitting on a ticking cash flow bomb. Set and forget. Operations worked when portfolios were small and labor was cheap. That era just ended. For years, the standard O&M model for solar portfolios was simple. Hire a contractor and schedule biannual site visits. Respond to inverter alarms and call it operational excellence. This worked fine for sub-20 MW projects where you could afford reactive maintenance. But once you cross 30 MW across multiple sites, the math breaks. You're now managing thousands of strings, hundreds of inverters, and millions of data points. Manual inspection cadence can't keep pace. By the time you spot underperformance in a quarterly review, you've already lost 90 days of generation revenue. Three forces are killing set and forget O&M right now. First, component degradation is accelerating as early utility scale projects hit year 10 to 15. Failure rates are not linear anymore. Second, investor expectations have shifted to real-time performance transparency, not quarterly PDF reports. Third, insurance and warranty terms now require documented inspection cadence and response time proof. Miss the inspection window and your claim gets denied. The asset managers adapting fastest are deploying continuous monitoring and autonomous inspection systems. This is where agentic automation transforms the game. Instead of scheduled human site visits, AI agents coordinate autonomous drone inspections on adaptive schedules based on risk signals. If an inverter shows voltage anomalies, the agent automatically triggers a thermal drone inspection within 48 hours. If defect density in a specific block exceeds threshold, the agent escalates a maintenance dispatch with precise GPS coordinates. The agent completes defect classification before technicians arrive. Our platform runs this orchestration 24/7 across your entire portfolio. Think of it as having an O&M director who never sleeps and processes every data point in real time. Traditional O&M for a 50 MW portfolio runs 150 to 200,000 euros annually. Every 1% of lost availability on a 50 MW portfolio at 50 euros per megawatt hour costs 219,000 euros annually. Our clients see 40% reduction in unplanned downtime and 70% faster defect identification. They also see 20% improvement in overall energy yield. The ROI is 3 to 5x within 18 months. You don't have to rip and replace your entire O&M operation overnight. Start by layering AI-driven defect detection on top of your existing drone inspections. Next, deploy predictive maintenance agents that analyze SCADA data to forecast component failures. This shifts you from reactive to proactive. Finally, integrate autonomous dispatch coordination where AI routes work orders based on priority crew location and parts availability. Each phase compounds value. Your competitors are already moving. Portfolios implementing agentic O&M today are building operational moats that translate to higher valuations. When buyers compare two similar 50 megawatt portfolios in 2027, the one with AI-driven operations will command a 10 to 15% premium. That is 4 to 6 million euros on a 40 million euro asset. If you manage a 30-plus megawatt portfolio and want to see where agentic O&M would impact your operations, download our portfolio optimization report at clearspot.ai/portfolio-report. It includes a cost-benefit model migration roadmap and benchmarking against portfolios that have already made the transition. Set and forget is over autonomous and adaptive is the new standard. Like, share and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.